Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back again guys, to another group. A recommendation by a few people on my channel, my subscriber, hopefully, and commentators and viewers. Thank you. T.O.F.T, and this is their song to their music video, Panas. Is this a Malaysian? I think is this a Malaysian group? Is this another M-pop group? Oh my god!
5, 6, 7, 8. Tangan bebas, barang aku bebas. Suhu panas, semakin panas.
Panas.
Bebas, pemandanganku bebas. Suhu panas, semakin panas.
Gorgeous. Bass.
Aku tak pernah
Ooh.
mengalamimu.
Okay.
Pernah rasakanmu.
Ooh.
Belum lagi biasa bersamamu. Tapi bukannya aku tak mahu. Semakin dekat, semakin minat. Bila terlupa, tolong ku ingat. Apa lambat menjadi cepat.
This must be M-pop. Okay. With the hands.
Semakin panas. Bebas. Pemandanganku bebas.
Period.
Semakin panas.
Hey, move the hips down. Come on.
Aku mendengar suaramu, kau menunjukkan kepadaku. And I wanna move tanpa bantu, yeah. Tengok sini aku mula want to. Setiap hari kita harus jumpa. Sedara bahagia diri aku jumlah. Promise I'ma never look back, sumpah. Promise I'ma dance in my way, zumba. Tangan bebas, badan aku bebas.
Gorgeous.
Arah bebas, pemandanganku bebas. Suhu panas, semakin panas. Okay, whoop dada whoop.
Come on with a rap.
Bila naik darah aku
Come with a
dalam
rap.
circle aku semua
Talk your
berdanau.
shit, girl.
Bila orang masuk dalam kita macam hello. Ni ada uni. Ni aku boleh buat apa ku mahu ni. Tak ada siapa aku perlu bagi tahu ni. Nampak macam setiap tahun-tahun aku ni juicy. Arah bebas, pemandanganku bebas. Suhu panas, semakin panas, yeah.
Hey.
Semakin panas, yeah.
Okay, T.O.F.T. Is this another M-pop group, you guys, that I've been recommending to? Is this another M-pop group? Panas. Okay, love it. These ladies are gorgeous. As I can say, the first M-pop group I've listened to was Dala, and they have not disappointed me. So I am surprised. I'm not surprised, but I'm happy that it's the liking for M-pop is very consistent at this point. This was a very nice video. They're giving me what they're giving me. Love it. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to direct this. I really do appreciate it. I've said it over and over again. Thanks to the ones who are bringing these new artists and this new genre of music to me. I really do appreciate it. It's making me more aware of other stars out there. I really do like it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Love this video. M-pop, Yeah, but I give these girls a run for their money. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.